Hey there. Have you ever felt like your life is just one big mess that's impossible to sort out? Maybe you're struggling with a terrible job, bad relationships, or lack of direction. Whatever it is, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and like there's no way out. But what if I told you there's a way to unfuck your life? A way to turn things around and start living the life you've always wanted? It's not easy, but it's absolutely possible. Here's how. Step 1: Get clear on what you want. The first step in unfucking your life is to figure out what you really want. This might take some deep introspection, but it's important to get clear on what matters to you. Do you want a fulfilling career? Better relationships? A sense of purpose? Whatever it is, write it down and keep it in mind as you move forward. Step 2: Take responsibility for your life. It's easy to blame other people or circumstances for our problems, but that won't get you anywhere. The truth is, you're the only one who can make changes in your life. Take responsibility for where you are and decide to take action. Step 3: Create a plan. Now that you know what you want and are taking responsibility for your life, it's time to create a plan. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps. Identify any obstacles that might get in your way and figure out how to overcome them. Most importantly, make a commitment to yourself to follow through with your plan. Step 4: Start taking action. It's not enough to have a plan, you actually have to start taking action. This might involve stepping out of your comfort zone and doing things you've never done before. Remember, progress is better than perfection. Take small steps every day towards your goals, and before you know it, you'll be making real progress. Step 5: Keep going. Finally, don't give up. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but that's just part of the journey. Keep pushing forward, stay committed to your plan, and know that you'll eventually get there. So there you have it, a basic formula for unfucking your life. It's not going to be easy, but it's possible. Get clear on what you want, take responsibility for your life, create a plan, start taking action, and keep going. Before you know it, you'll be on your way to living the life you've always wanted.